Hi everyone. Today I'll share you a simple daily routine which you can follow to stay virus resistant during this rainy season. So the first what you can do is go for a morning sunlight, which will give you lots of vitamin D. Second, eat fresh fruits and vegetables so that you will get the essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin A, and zinc, which will improve your immunity. The third is stay hydrated for a full day, which will flush your toxins out. And fourth is 30 minutes of physical movement, which will improve the immune cell circulation. Thank you.